Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing class 2 set C NSO paper of this year. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's start with logical reasoning. Question number 1. Study the given arrangement carefully. If positions of O and Q get interchanged, then which is the fifth from left? It's option B, O. After interchanging, Q and O get exchange their places. There is a certain relationship, so we have to find the figure. So it's option C. How many minimum number of straight lines are required? It's 16 straight lines. Which of the following clock shows 20 minutes past the time shown in the given clock? The given clock shows quarter to 10. So after 20 minutes it becomes 5 past 10. Option B. Find the missing alphabet in the given alphabet pattern. It's K. Here the next alphabet is -2. Q, then P, and then O. Then O, N, then M. So M, L, and then it will come K. Option B. Let's start the science section. Question number 6. Which of the following is not made from the product obtained from the plant? It's honey. Honey is obtained from honeybees. Read the given statement and select the option that correctly fill in the blanks. 1 is a pet animal, whereas 2 is a farm animal. So option B. Dog is a pet and hen is a farm. Select incorrect match. Here option B. Because cow is a herbivore, yes. Elephant is a carnivore, no. It's a herbivore. Select the option which unscramble gives the name of animal that squeaks. It's mouse. So option C. Which of the following organ remove waste from the body? It's option D. Kidney. Which of the following professional uses tools shown in the given picture? Pliers and wrench are used by plumbers. So option D. Read the following statement given by the four children. Aryan, the rose smell amazing. Meera, I can hear the bees buzzing near the flower. Ravi, teddy bear feels so soft. And Sneha, look at the cloud, they look like cotton. Which of the following senses is not being used by children in the above statements? It's option C, sense of taste, because all other organs are used. Question number 13. Select the odd one out on the basis of type of house. It's option D, because all other are movable houses, whereas D is a permanent house. Match the one with 2. It's option C, because Independence Day comes on 15th August, Republic on 26th Jan, Gandhi Jayanti on 2 October, and Children's Day on 14th November. Select the incorrect statement. First aid is given to the injured person before doctor arrives. Yes. In case of burn, tie a bandage tightly around the affected area. No. It's an incorrect statement. Which of the following activity you must do before going to bed? We should brush our teeth. So option B. Given picture shows that air moves things. No. Air has weight. Yes. Because balloon having air is heavier than inflated balloon. Ansh is standing in his garden in the morning facing the rising sun. So he is facing east direction. In which direction his shadow will fall? On the opposite direction. Opposite of east is west. So option C. When you are playing in a park, your father's father, how would you introduce him to your friend? As a paternal grandfather. Question number 20. Anaya encircled all members in the following animal groups based on their eating habits, but made one mistake. Find the group with mistake. Zebra, elephant, giraffe, kingfisher. It's correct because all others are herbivore. Bear, owl, crow, and sparrow. Yes, because owl is a carnivore, or other are omnivore. Lion, leopard, snake, rabbit. This it's wrong because here rabbit should be circled because rabbit is a herbivore and others are carnivore. Strike out every alternate letter starting from the first one in the given option to get the name of organ that sends signal to different body parts and control their functions. It's brain. So option B. Study the given relationship and select the option that places in the given blank. Tea, leaves. Tea is obtained from leaves of the plant and coffee is obtained from seeds of the plant. So option C. Read the given conversation among the four friends. Who among the following had a balanced diet for lunch? Amit says, I ate rice and potato curry for lunch. I had chapati dal with ghee and some salad for lunch. Yes, Ria eat a balanced diet. Select the correct sequence of letters to complete the word given in the box in the following statements. The dash room in the is where we sit, welcome our guests. It's living room. So option B. Question number 25. We live together happy and bright with cousins, grandparents. A joyful sight. So many member, big and strong. Which type of family do we belong? It's joint family. Option C. Question number 26. Which of the following are healthy eating habits? Skipping breakfast to save time? No. Always eating fresh food? Yes. Eating meals at fixed time every day? Yes. Talking and laughing while eating? No. So we should follow 2 and 3. Option A. Ria is going on a trip to a hill station in India with her parents during the winter. Which of the following clothes she must pack? Option A. Sweater and hand gloves. Which of the following statement is correct? While playing hide and seek in a park, prefer dark and isolated places as they are the best spots for hiding? No. Do not take your head or hand out of the window of moving vehicle? Yes. Option B. Which of the following is the hardest mineral? It's diamond. Option A. I am a loyal companion of human and I am often kept as a pet. It's dog. Option C. Let's start the achiever section. Refer the job table. Make combination of boxes to answer the following question. A carnivore animal that lives both on land and in water. It's frog. And a farm animal whose baby is called lamb. It's sheep. So option D. Refer the given flow chart and select the option which correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. Here P is what? It is a plant with green and tender stem. No. Its leaves are used to cure cough and cold. Yes. So P could be Tulsi. Now Q. It's a plant with green and tender stem. No. And its leaves are used to cure cough and cold. No. So it may be cotton. Then R is a plant with green and tender stem and it gives us cereals. So it is a rice. And S is plant with green and tender stem and it gives us cereals and it gives us cooking oil. It's mustard. So option C. Refer the given word grid and select the option that cannot be found in it. A safety gear that protect our head while cycling. It's helmet. It's given. A liquid used to clean up wound before covering it. It's antiseptic. It is given in the grid. A safe place for pedestrian to walk beside the road. It's footpath. It is also given in the grid. A type of clothing that should be avoided while burning firecrackers. The clothes are silk clothes, but it is not given in the grid. So option D. Question number 34. Refer the given diagram and select the option that correctly identify X and Y. It can float on water and is commonly seen in Kashmir and Kerala and it is a wooden house. So X is a houseboat and Y is a wooden house which is made up of 10 to 12 feet above the ground on the poles and it is commonly seen in Assam. So it's stilt house. Option A. Study the given table. Select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. X is an energy giving food and obtained from stem of the plant. So it may be potato. And Y is a energy giving food and obtained from seed of the plant. It's a rice. So option D, potato and rice. In this way, class 2 NSO paper set C of this year is explained. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you.